All right, so in this video, I'm just going to walk you through how we make navigations in CourseDog's catalog. So just for reference, this right here is our sidebar navigation, and this is our top bar navigation. Now I'm going to hop over into our sandbox and show you how to actually set those up. So to do that, we go to the Navigations tab, and these are the navigations that I have in there currently. And if we want to edit those or change anything, we can just simply click on them, and all the information is right here. But just for the sake of being really clear, I'm actually going to create new ones. So let's call this sample top bar. Click create. And we're going to click on this to go in and edit. So the top bar only has links, but we can add a few different types. So there are pre-built links, which will link to the pre-built pages in CourseDog. So we just drag those over here. So let's add courses and departments. And then we can add internal links or external links. So internal links link to any of the pages that we've built in our page editor tab, and external links link to any page on the web. So just for an example, I'm going to link this to CourseDog's website, but this would be, how you would link to your homepage for your actual website. And then if we want to add an internal link, we can just drag this in here. And let's just call this, we'll link to the science page, just for an example. And then we're going to provide this with a slug, which is essentially just the end of the URL, which will make it nice and clean and intuitive for your users. Okay. So now we're going to go back and I'm going to show you how to make a sidebar. So when we do that, we change the navigation type here. Name it sample sidebar. We'll create it. Now sidebars are just a little bit more complicated than top bars because not only do they have links, they have groups as well. So what groups essentially are is a container for a bunch of links that can be expanded or collapsed, which really helps your users navigate your website much easier. So just as with the top bar, I'm going to drag in some pre-built links first. And then I can go ahead and add a group. So just for an example, I'm going to add associate's degrees. And I'm going to provide it with a slug to make the URL clean. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then we can put in links to custom pages that we've made in our page editor. So let's call this mathematics. We'll link it to a math page and we'll specify the slug. And just as with the top bar, we can even add external links. So I'll show you that here. I'll just link to CourseDog's website again. And then we can even add groups within groups to make that website even more navigatable. So let's just call this, I don't know, this is sciences. And then we can add links within that. Okay. So now that we're done, the last thing that we have to do is we have to specify for the active catalog which sidebar and top bar to use. So these are the ones that I showed you on the public facing website, and I'm going to go ahead and switch to the ones that we've just created. Now if I go ahead and save that and go to our home page, we can go ahead and view the public catalog. And we'll see the custom navigations that I've made here. So again, this CourseDog link is linking to an external page. So if I go ahead and click that, it will open it in a new tab. And then this group over here on the sidebar expands and collapses. And again, we've got our group within it as well. And this mathematics page, I'll show you, links to a custom page that we've built in our page editor. All right, folks, I hope that helps. Have a good day.